Welcome to Manifest with Mary. I'm Mary, and I'm truly honored that you're here. You've chosen to carve out space for yourself today in a world that rarely slows down. And that choice? It's a powerful act of self-devotion. What you're about to experience isn't just a meditation, it's a turning point. This practice helped me reshape my relationship with money in ways I never expected. It's built on financial affirmations that have supported me throughout deep growth, expansion, and healing. You'll hear the affirmations softly layered binaurally, creating a gentle induction that opens your subconscious to receive, to soften, to trust, and to align. This isn't just background audio. It's a sacred container for who you are becoming, a place to return to your truth, and a quiet invitation to let go of what no longer is serving you, what's no longer aligned, and to help you rise into the version of you that's already waiting. So take a deep breath with me. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now gently ask yourself, who am I becoming in this season of my life? Let the question land in your body. If something stirs, let it move through you. You can pause here if you wish and journal. This is your space. You didn't stumble here by accident. You were guided. And just by pressing play, a shift has already begun. This is your self-care. This is your recalibration. This is your becoming. So let's begin.